Do you ever feel popping or clicking in your knee with ordinary movements? This could be happening for a variety of reasons. If there's no pain or swelling in the knee, there probably isn't anything serious going on. So the tissue that aligns your bones, called cartilage, as you grow older, it grows on uneven surfaces. So the overlapping of this could lead to audible noises. Also, the tissue that connects your bones together, called ligaments, when you move your knee, they get tight, and the friction between them can also lead to noises as well. If there's pain and swelling in the knee, there might be something more serious going on. So the shock absorber, or the cushion between your knee joint, called your meniscus, could be torn, which is a common sports injury. There could also be inflammation of the cartilage of the kneecap, as well as the tendons and the ligaments around your knee, such as patellofemoral syndrome. Also, your IT band, the large muscle that runs down the side of your leg, can sometimes become inflamed with repetitive overuse, especially with running. And when this happens, it can also lead to painful noises with movements. There are many exercises and stretches that you can do to help reduce these noises, which should be aimed at your hip flexor, your hamstrings, your IT band, as well as your calf muscles. Also, there are many supplements that you can take, such as Joint Restore, which is a natural way to help your body build that cartilage around the knee joint. Hi, I'm Dr. Bobby with Energize Chiropractic and Wellness. Go to energizechiro.com for more information.